I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the hashtag Summer Fun Ephemera. This is hosted by Rachel of Sweet Bee Paper Co. And for 16 weeks we are to do a different little ephemera to kind of add to our stash. And this works out good for me because I will soon be starting a Wizard of Oz journal. And so I can get a little bit of my ephemera ahead. Plus I've got papers for like fall because it'll be here before you know it for us here in the States. And just some pretty papers, just different kinds of things to put in my stash to have for when I have my journals ready to go. And so this is week 4 and we are to use playing cards, and I've sanded the side that I'm going to use because some of them I'm going to use this side and some of them I'm going to use the back side. And we are to decorate our cards, so at least get them ready to add to them. I hope you'll enjoy this video. Be sure and check out Rachel's channel of Sweet Bee Paper Co. and check out the hashtag Summer Fun Ephemera. I'll have them listed in my description box, and I'll have the hashtag in my title so that you can just click on it. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, I've got a nice little stack done here. This is really a fun little project. I've got this one. That one I didn't really do anything but put the little diamond bling on it. I thought the paper stood alone. I've got this one, and I didn't put tabs on all of them. I've got this one, and this was like the words was just something I found on the desk that I had cut out from a magazine. Got this one. Whoop, I want to turn it the right side. Got this one. I just used a piece of lace for a tab and put a little bit of coffee dyed cheesecloth behind it. Some for fall. And these are just using scraps I had. And this one's for my Wizard of Oz journal. And I'll add the tabs to them as I see what I'm going to do with them. Got the Wizard of Oz, the Good Witch, Cowardly Lion, the Tin Man. And that paper came from that from the kit that I'm using for this journal. Got Toto, the Scarecrow, the Wonderful Wizard of Oz, and I got this poppy stickers from Dollar Tree, and this was part of it too. Dorothy, and the Wicked Witch, and the glitter and stuff that I used on this and the Good Witch was stickles. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Rachel's channel, Sweet Bee Paper Co. And I'll have it linked in my description box. And be sure and check out the hashtag Summer Fun Ephemera. I'll have that linked in my description box and in my title. So until next time, bye y'all.